In this video, I will show how to get additional income from your website or blog by placing text ads automatically. So search this plugin website monetization by BegaNet. So search this install and activate this plugin. You will see monetizing plugin is installed successfully. Now you are ready to make profit from your site automatically. Click Start Tutorial to set up plugin. Step 1. Log in to this company, and if you not have account, so sign up for this company. You can create your account with Gmail or password. So this is the plugin, guys. Using this plugin you can earn some extra money. Thanks for watching, and you want to learn how to create your account and how to implement everything and how to connect your website with this plugin. So check out my description video.